Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you. New viewers, you gotta subscribe so you get awesome recipes like this one. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken marsala. I'm gonna try to keep it pretty traditional. We're gonna jump right in. I've got a tablespoon, give or take, just enough to get the bottom of my pan. I'm using a cast iron skillet, my usual. I'm on medium-high heat. That's a 6 on my stove. That's already started to heat up. Over here, I've taken 4 chicken breasts. I've pounded them out with my meat mallet. And then I've got just about a quarter, maybe half a cup of just regular all-purpose flour and some salt and pepper to taste. So if I had to guess, it's maybe a half of a teaspoon of each for the whole mixture. Then you saw I had that fork there. I mixed that up just to get everything combined, so I got a little bit of seasoning in my flour. The flour is to help brown the chicken. Take that right into my pan. And you hear it sizzle a little bit. I'll do one more, and we're gonna have to do these in batches, so I'm gonna do 2 and 2. 5 minutes per side, and when we're done with one batch, I'll take them off and I'll show you how to hold on to those. We'll be back for the next batch. All right, so you can see that I've gone ahead and browned those guys up. She's gonna take some tinfoil and do what they call tenting or whatever. So you're just trying to keep these warm. We're gonna hit them back into the pan. They're fine there. Back over in our pan, you can see I've got all the nice brown stuff. I'm gonna hit it just with a little bit of olive oil again. All right, so 2 shallots sliced and 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms, just rough chop. I'm gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. And I'm just gonna kind of gently give it a little stir here and there. We'll see you in 5. All right, this has been sweating down for about 2.5, maybe 3 minutes. This is 1 tablespoon roughly of minced garlic. And I'll finish this off for the remaining 3 minutes. One thing I forgot to mention, I turned this down to a 4, so medium low. Okay, so I finished out my time, so we gotta turn this into a chicken marsala. And that's what makes it a chicken marsala, is the Marsala wine. So I got half a cup of Marsala wine. And I'm gonna turn the heat up just a little bit to get this up to a boil real quick. About 30 seconds, bring it up to a boil, and then we'll turn it back down. All right, to that, I'm gonna thin this out. What I was basically doing was 2 things. I was getting the brownings off, and I'm burning out the alcohol. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in half a cup of chicken stock. You can use your own, you can buy it from the store. I'm gonna turn it down to about a 4 again. I'm gonna give this a mix for about a minute, and we'll come back. So it's been about 45 seconds, give or take. This is about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and it's softened up a little bit. So I'm gonna combine this in, maybe 15 seconds, and then it will be time to thicken and bring back our chicken. So all I'm doing is thinning out this butter to get it incorporated. It's gonna help thicken the sauce. Give me 10 seconds and we'll have this all combined. All right, so what I got here is a teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of just regular tap water. And all we're doing is thicken this up a little bit. We're just gonna mix that in to combine. All right, you can see that my sauce is now thickened up. This is exactly where we want to be. Time to bring back our chicken. I'm just gonna slide them right in there. And all we're gonna do is just kind of spoon over it until everything gets coated. So another 15 seconds. Last thing that you do, hit it with a bit of salt. I'm using sea salt. That's what I use all throughout the process. And just a pinch of black pepper. And then we're just gonna kind of spoon over and try to get everything coated up. Give me 15 and we'll be plating this up. All right, you can see I've thickened up and I've really made an effort to coat these guys up. I've already got my plate ready. I'm just gonna lay this right over here next to my homemade garlic mashed potatoes. That is literally all there is to it. This will serve a family of 5. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Otherwise, check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace.